Let's explore a 7-night charter itinerary from Monaco on the French Riviera on 263-foot, 72-meter super yacht Axioma. Day 1. Begin your adventure in Monaco. After arriving from Nice International Airport, take in the breathtaking views. You and 11 of your guests arrive on board Axioma and enjoy a late afternoon aperitif before dining at a Michelin-star restaurant. Try your luck at Monte Carlo Casino or dance the night away in one of Monaco's exclusive clubs. Day 2. Cruise the iconic city of Cannes. Marvel at the world's largest yachts in the marina and spend your afternoon enjoying lunch and water toys on board before experiencing the vibrant nightlife of Cannes. Day 3. Discover the storybook charm of Saint-Tropez. Known for its trendy boutiques, cabarets, and galleries, Saint-Tropez offers a mix of art and fashion. Anchor off the famous beaches and go by private tender to tropical-themed shops and restaurants. Day 4. Explore the tranquil Poquerolles Island. Located in the Gulf of Liers, this island features beautiful beaches, vineyards, and forests. Day 5. Anchor in the beautiful bays of Cap d'Antibes. Jump on the jet skis or wakeboards in crystal clear waters surrounded by pine trees. Enjoy a cocktail at the prestigious Hotel du Cap Eden Rock, situated in its own 22-acre garden. Day 6. Discover the idyllic village of Villefranche-sur-Mer. Wander through narrow brick-laden streets and enjoy the local haunts. Have a special dinner on your private chef on board super yacht Axioma. Day 7. Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat awaits with its picturesque port and stunning hiking paths along the sea. Day 8. Conclude your journey back in Monaco. A tour of the Royal Grimaldi Palace is a perfect finale to your luxurious adventure. Text yachting in the comments to send your inquiry.